Making Chinese noodles at home is easier than you think. It's simple, fast, and so rewarding. Imagine enjoying a delicious bowl of fresh noodles made with your own two hands. In this essay, we'll unlock the secrets to making authentic Chinese noodles in your very own kitchen. Get ready for a fun and satisfying culinary adventure. Let's embark on a journey to the heart of Chinese cuisine, where fresh noodles are the star. Imagine the aroma of freshly made dough, the tactile pleasure of kneading it, and the satisfaction of seeing it transform into delicate strands of noodles. This is not just cooking, it's an art form that has been perfected over centuries. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy equipment or special ingredients. Your everyday kitchen tools and a few common ingredients are all you need to get started. It's amazing how simplicity can lead to such delicious results. We'll use everyday pantry staples to create magic. Flour, water, and a pinch of salt are the humble beginnings of our culinary adventure. These basic ingredients will come together to create something truly extraordinary. Get ready to discover the joy of transforming simple ingredients into springy, flavorful noodles. The process of kneading the dough, rolling it out, and cutting it into noodles is both therapeutic and rewarding. Each step brings you closer to a delicious meal. By the end of this essay, you'll be a noodle-making pro. You'll not only have a new skill, but also a deeper appreciation for the simplicity and beauty of homemade food. So let's get started and bring the flavors of China into your kitchen. Many believe that making Chinese noodles is a complicated and time-consuming process. That's a myth. With a few simple steps, anyone can master this art. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, making it easy for even the most inexperienced cook to achieve noodle nirvana. Get ready to impress yourself and your taste buds. Section 4. Crafting your noodles. Here's what you'll need. All-purpose flour, water, a pinch of salt, and, well, a sprinkle of enthusiasm. First, combine the flour and salt in a large bowl. Make sure to mix them thoroughly so that the salt is evenly distributed throughout the flour. Gradually add water, mixing until a smooth dough forms. It's important to add the water slowly to ensure the dough doesn't become too sticky. Knead the dough for a few minutes until it becomes elastic and bouncy. This step is crucial as it develops the gluten, giving the noodles their perfect texture. Let the dough rest for 30 minutes, covered with a damp cloth. This resting period allows the dough to relax, making it easier to roll out and shape into noodles. After 30 minutes, your dough is ready to be transformed into delicious noodles. Uncover it and get ready for the next exciting step in your noodle-making journey. Section 5. The noodle's birth. Now the magic happens. Divide the dough into smaller portions. Roll out each portion into a thin sheet, dusting with flour to prevent sticking. Using a sharp knife, cut the dough sheet into your desired noodle width. Congratulations, you've just created fresh Chinese noodles. Section 6. Noodle mastery in minutes. Today, we're diving into the art of noodle preparation, a fundamental skill in Asian cuisine that can elevate your home cooking to new heights. Start by bringing a pot of water to a rolling boil. This step is crucial as it ensures that the noodles cook evenly and prevents them from becoming mushy. Gently add the noodles to the boiling water. Stir occasionally to prevent them from sticking together. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until the noodles rise to the surface, indicating they are perfectly cooked. Once the noodles are cooked, promptly remove them from the boiling water and transfer them to a colander. Rinse the noodles under cold water to stop the cooking process and to keep them from sticking. Now, your noodles are ready to be incorporated into a variety of dishes. Whether you're adding them to a hearty soup, stir-frying them with vegetables and protein, or simply tossing them in a flavorful sauce, the possibilities are endless. Finally, take a moment to taste your creation. Notice the texture and flavor that fresh, properly cooked noodles bring to your dish. Taste the difference freshness makes. Enjoy your culinary masterpiece. Section 7. Unleash your inner chef. Congratulations, you've mastered the art of making authentic Chinese noodles at home. Now that you've seen how easy it is, don't stop there. Experiment with different flours, flavors, and toppings to create your signature noodle dishes. Share your newfound skills with friends and family. Happy cooking!